Hey Jeepers, welcome to Cambro's Garage. Today we're taking a field trip to Logan Labs. Joffrey is the creator of the Sasquatch Fender Flares, and so we're going to put a set of Fender Flares on an 83 Jeep Wagoneer. So come on in. This is the Sasquatch Fender Flare. These are available at PJ's Off-Road on their website. So this is what we're going to be putting on today. This is the box that these Fender Flares come in, so we're going to unload the box and show you what's inside. So in the box, you'll get a set of 4 Fender Flares, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. This is weather stripping that goes on the Fender Flare, in between the Jeep and the Fender Flare. You've got a front and a rear, and then inside the package, there's a set of typed out instructions with pictures. So we'll go through this with you, and we'll show you how to put them on an 83 Jeep Wagoneer.